Hey guys, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon. Once you do that, it will notify you whenever I drop a new video. Let's get right into the gist of today. So guys, we have Kizz Daniel performing Cough Again, ODO, for the very first time in Melbourne, Australia. And this was really fun as everyone sang along. And it went crazy, and many people even joined Kizz Daniel on stage. And trust me, it was really a fun experience that you wouldn't want to miss out. Well, I am here for you guys. I'm going to gist you on everything that happened. So guys, get that experience and don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel. Alright, on Friday, October 28th, Kizz Daniel performed at a sold-out music event in Melbourne, Australia. Though solidifying his growing notoriety and mainstream prominence, Kizz Daniel posted a clip from the performance that showed his Australian fans jamming to a song from his extensive discography. He then thanked the crowd for coming and shared the news of an additional concert that would take place the following weekend in Sydney. Kizz Daniel wrote, "I coughed, they schemed, God is the greatest, Vado the great, thank you Melbourne, I love you forever, Sydney, Australia tonight, see you soon, Arch Afro Classic World Tour 2022, just grateful Sydney tonight, I can't wait, Arch Cough, Arch Afro Classic World Tour 2022. After seeing the aforementioned post, Davido gleefully announced on his Instagram story that Kizz Daniel is back. ODO went on to express his support for him, claiming that he will do the same during his own events. The get back is crazy. My brother back in good form. There you're back, I dey come, Davido wrote. So guys, but in case you don't know Kizz Daniel, born Oluwatobiloba Daniel Anidugbe, better known by his stage name Kizz Daniel, is a Nigerian singer and songwriter. He is best known for his single Woju and Yeba. He went by the stage name Kizz Daniel prior to changing it in May 2018. He signed a record deal with G Worldwide Entertainment in 2013, but left the label following a publicized contract dispute and court case. He founded the Flyboy Inc. record label in November 2017. On August 8, 2022, Kizz Daniel was arrested in Dar es Salaam by the Tanzanian police over failure to perform. An event was prepared by one of the Tanzanian companies known as the State of Vibes. Kizz Daniel was born Oluwatobiloba Daniel Anidugbe in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. He hails from Abeokuta North Local Government Area. He attended Abeokuta Grammar School and graduated from the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, in 2013 with a degree in Water Resources Management and Agrometeorology, Water Engineering. While in university, he decided to pursue music as a career alongside his studies. In May 2015, Kizz Daniel released a third follow-up single, Laye, on his birthday, along with a video 2 weeks later, which was shot in different locations in the eastern part of Africa and was directed by Ajay Films. Kizz Daniel released his first studio album titled New Era on May 14, 2016. After his exit from the former label G Worldwide, he went to float his own personal imprint Flyboy Inc., which recently signed two new hearts, Dami V and Phil Keys. After which Kizz Daniel was featured on Demi V's single titled You Go War and You Go Wait. 2018 was sure a good year for the Woju Chronal. It featured Wizkid on a hit song For You and Davido on another single One Ticket, which hit the chart within 24 hours of its release. On the 30th of December 2018, Kizz Daniel released his second studio album and his first under Flyboy Inc. titled No Bad Songs. The album contained 20 songs, including the pre-release One Ticket, which featured Davido. Other features on the album includes Nasty C, Diamond Platinum, Phil Keys, Demi V, DJ Exclusive, Reg 32, Diplo, and Sarkodie. The album received positive reviews from the music lovers. It debuted at number 55 on the US iTunes chart and became number 1 on the World Album Chart within 24 hours of its release. On 25 June 2020, he released his third studio album, King of Love. In 2017, many of his fans thought he would make a career switch to comedy as he was uploading comedy skits. However, he said he has no intention switching into comedy as music is his main talent. For 2023 FIFA World Cup in Qatar, Kizz Daniel will perform his hit single Bugal at the 2023 FIFA World Cup in Qatar. He has expressed desire to perform at the FIFA World Cup, which is set to start on November 20, 2022. Shared an update on whether he would be appearing at the world's biggest footballing events. He acquired a new house and announced it on September 2022. According to his own statements, he always wanted a house on the water for his wife and children, which he claims it will soon be possible. He recently released a new song called Cough ODO, produced by Blaze Beats. This is Kizz Daniel's second official release of the year 2022. In November 2017, Kizz Daniel announced a split from his record label G Worldwide and credited his own label called Flyboy Inc. He was sued to court by the former record label but was not found guilty of any of the crimes he was accused of. In May 2018, Kizz Daniel announced that he had changed his stage name from Kizz Daniel to Kizz Daniel, a name which immediately reflected on his social media accounts. New Spotify and Apple Music accounts were also credited immediately with the name Kizz Daniel, with his new song featured. In June 2018, Kizz Daniel's former record label, G Worldwide, made a move to own the right to the name Kizz Daniel and further advised the singer to desist from using the name or face legal consequences in a press release sent out to media houses. In October 2018, Daniel responded to the suit and statements made by his former record label G Worldwide through his own lawyer. On 8 April 2022, Emperor Gizzy and Daniel settled their dispute outside the courts in a viral video tagged Arch Peace and Love. On May 4, 2022, he released a chart-topping single titled Bugal. The song became a hit with dance challenges on Instagram and TikTok, with prominent people, including the President of Liberia, George Weah, dancing to it. On May 1, 2021, he welcomed a set of triplets, Jamal, Jalil, and Jelani, with his mysterious girlfriend. Kizz Daniel later revealed how he lost one of his triplets, Jamal, just 4 days after birth, as he was acquired a 2-bedroom penthouse each for Jalil and Jelani. Well, guys, there you have it. On Friday, October 28th, Kizz Daniel performed at a sold-out music event in Melbourne, Australia. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and Kizz Daniel absolutely killed this performance. So guys, see you some other time in a lot of video. Thank you. Bye.